The practice of not forcing, embracing life's flow and ease. Do you constantly feel the need to be productive, do more, and exert control over every element of your life? Given the prevalent emphasis on productivity and performance in our modern world, which frequently overshadows the significance of inner serenity and general well-being, it's not unexpected if you find yourself replying, yes, to this question. What if I told you that there is another way to live? We examine the transforming potential of the art of not forcing in this video, as well as how it may help you live truthfully and enjoy the ride. So let's get started and discover how to let go of the need to continually push oneself to the limit and force outcomes in favor of embracing life's flow. A false sense of control. Now let's get down to business. We all like to believe that we are in charge, don't we? We think that by just pushing and using our will, we may get our desired results. The reality is that there are a lot of variables that are out of our control. Unexpected occurrences, other people's decisions, or simply the fact that life is fundamentally unpredictable, could all be to blame. The stock market, the weather, or other people's thoughts and deeds are all outside of your control. When you try to force results, you frequently end up on an endless roller coaster of tension, frustration, and burnout. Reliance and faith. Here's where the magic starts to happen. Surrender and trust are the first steps in the art of not pushing. Not to worry. Giving in or being passive are not the same thing as surrendering. It involves letting go of your connection to particular results and accepting what is. You can let go of the urge for control and adopt a more laid-back and peaceful way of life by having faith that things will work out in their own time and in the best way possible. You learn to be more adaptive, flexible, and receptive to various alternatives. Getting in the flow. Often, forcing goes against the course of life. You create resistance and hinder the flow of energy when you try to control everything and resist. Being in tune with oneself and sensing when things are coming together smoothly and in that direction requires finding the flow. It necessitates paying attention to and following your instincts and intuition. The ability to be patient. I love patience. It's challenging, isn't it? But trust me when I say that it's a crucial component of the art of not forcing. It serves as a reminder that good things take time, and hurrying might upset the flow of life. It's similar to watching for a lovely flower to bloom. You won't help the soil grow if you constantly digging at it to check on its growth. You may stay present, totally committed, and open to the chances that come your way by exercising patience. You only learn to trust and let go of the urge for quick outcomes via patience. Taking the process in hand. The art of not forcing teaches you to accept the process itself, whereas force frequently becomes fixated on the end result. It encourages you to take in the scenery, celebrate the little successes, and pick up new skills along the way. Every difficulty you encounter and every barrier you clear presents a chance for growth and self-discovery. You improve your awareness of yourself and everything that exists outside of your own tiny bubble. You also pick up new abilities. Resilience and perseverance are qualities that you gain as you nurture this mindset. Because you recognize that setbacks and failures are inevitable, you become more prepared to handle them. How to develop self-compassion. Let's pause for a moment and be kind to ourselves. It's essential to practice self-compassion in the aim of not forcing. We frequently hold ourselves accountable for not working hard enough or achieving enough, and we tend to be our own harshest judges. But what's this? That is in no way beneficial or healthy. In reality, your capacity to enjoy the process and let go of forcing can be hampered by this harsh inner critic, which can be harmful to your well-being. Being understanding, accepting, and kind to yourself fosters a caring environment in which natural growth can occur. When things don't go according to plan or when you make mistakes, it can help you combat the self-talk and judgment that you might have. In conclusion, practicing the art of not forcing can fundamentally change your life. It's all about letting go of control and accepting life's organic flow. To experience this shift, you must practice surrender, trust, patience, and self-compassion. You can live an authentic and satisfying life that is in line with your deepest desires when you exhibit these characteristics. Keep in mind that when we just let go and let things happen, sometimes the most beautiful and important things happen. So go ahead and live your life as you please. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and tell your friends about it so we can make more like it. Click the subscribe button to see more content like this, and don't forget to activate the notification bell. Watch our other videos as well if you haven't already. Thank you for viewing.